I'm Dr. Lutzmani, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic VM migration attack for the subject cloud computing. So, what is VM migration attack? First, before that, so this is one of the security issues here. So, you have to know what are the security attacks available in the system for the computer system. So, denial of service attack (DOS) attack is a type of cyber attack in which a malicious actor aims to render a computer or other device unavailable to its intended user by interrupting the device's normal functioning. DOS attacks typically function by overwhelming or flooding a targeted machine with requests until normal traffic is unable to be processed. This is resulting in the denial of its service to additional user. A DOS attack is characterized by using the single computer to launch the attack. So, indicators of a DOS attack. How can I know that DOS attack has happened in my system? So, slow network performance. So, when it will happen, the load time for files or websites. Then the inability to load a particular website such as your web properties. So, say for example, whether when an anonymity result published, so many lakhs and lakhs of people are saying that, then the website cannot be able to provide the service. So, sudden loss of connectivity across devices on the same network. So, buffer overflow attack. The primary focus of a DOS attack is to oversaturate the capacity of a targeted machine, resulting in DOS to additional requests. DOS attacks typically fall into two categories: buffer overflow attack, an attack type in which memory buffer overflow can cause a machine to consume all available hard disk space, memory, or CPU time. So, this form of exploit often results in sluggish behavior, system crashes, or other deleterious server behaviors resulting in denial of service attack. Next is flood attack. By saturating a targeted server with an overwhelming amount of packets, a malicious actor is able to oversaturate server capacity, resulting in DOS. In order for most DOS flood attacks to be successful, the malicious actor must have more available bandwidth than the target. So, co-residential attacks, where malicious user build side channels and extract private information from virtual machine co-located on the same server. The attacker is able to extract any private information from the need to co-locate the VMs with the target VMs. VM allocation policies and practical countermeasures against by developing a set of security measures and a quantitative model. So, the side channel attack focuses on gathering on fault in the application of the system and on its basis launch the attack. The various side channels that work along with the system are power monitoring attack, timing attack, and cache attack. So, in cache attack, the attacker launches the attack based on the cache accesses. Well, timing attack is based on the variation of computation time of different activities. For example, the attacker can reduce encryption key by observing accesses made by the victim. In co-location attack, to verify that two or more VMs are co-locate, the attacker performs the TPS trace route operation to get DOM0 IP address and then compare DOM0 IP address of those VMs to know means they are co-resident. Cache based side channel attack, it is proposed to detect and prevent guest virtual machine from CSC. It's divided into CSCA is cache side channel attack. It's divided into two types. It is based on cloud setting. So, first one is time driven cache attack and the trace driven cache attack. It's based on cloud setting with two VMs installed on the same physical machine using bare metal hypervisor, which has highest level of cache. Preventing side channel attack. Side channels are used to transfer sensitive data between two or more VMs in the same virtual environment. Preventing side channel attacks is important for data confidentiality of the authentic user. This countermeasure is hardware based and costly. Most of the side channel attack in the cloud is on high resolution. It's a proposed method of eliminating internal clock reference to protect sensitive information. Migrating VMs periodically. This method helps to counter the co-residential attack. It's a VCV, Vigray-Clark-Groves mechanism is one that provides a periodical migration of virtual machine. The drawback is it can cause performance degradation and power consumption, etc. Thank you.